Kings and Queens, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are staying safe and well. Today I would like to show you how I make my black beans and turmeric rice. Here are my ingredients: my rice, my black beans, Sazon, turmeric, adobo, onion powder, black pepper, salt to taste, butter, minced garlic, my homemade green seasoning, olive oil, and some water. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so let's make this rice. My stove is on medium heat. And I'm going to go in with a tablespoon of olive oil. Let that heat up a bit. I'm going to add my green seasoning. Give it a nice stir. I just love using this seasoning. It's so easy and convenient. I will attach the link to this. Save you time, some cutting up, chopping all the time. So like that. To this I'm going to add my minced garlic. And I'm going to let this soften up for like 2 minutes. Check it out. Oh my goodness, look at this. And guys, it smells so good already. So now I'm going to add my butter. And allow that to melt along with the seasoning. Oops. My butter is nicely melted, so now I'm going to add my black beans. To that I'm going to add my powder seasoning. Turmeric, oh guys, the rain is coming down. I don't know if you guys can hear it. Combine everything together, and I'm going to allow this to cook for like 3 minutes. And just combine everything together. Oh guys, this looks so good, and it smells so good too, guys. Oh wow guys, look at this. Looks so yummy. So now you add your water. And just stir really well. And you basically, I'm gonna add salt to taste. I didn't add any salt because the Sazon and the Goya all-purpose seasoning is a bit, you know, it has a lot of sodium in it, so gotta be careful. So I'm going to taste it before I let it cook. I could use a little salt. That's optional. I'm just gonna add a little salt. Give it a stir. Give it a nice stir, which I did, and I'm going to add my pepper for flavor, and you just cover this on medium heat until the water is reduced. Okay, stay tuned. Okay guys, let's check it out. Now it's been 20 minutes because I'm using parboiled rice, and this rice take a little longer to cook, so let's check it out. Looks pretty tender to me. Just taste it. Pretty tender, so you just give it a fluff like so. My goodness, look at this, guys. It looks so yummy, and it tastes delicious, guys. Guys, I'm going to let this simmer for another 5 to 10 minutes. Because as I explained, I'm using it based on the type of rice excuse me, that you're using. So I'm using parboiled rice, so this take a little longer to cook. So I'm gonna let it steam for another 10 minutes. Okay, I'll return my pepper to the pot, and I'll see you in 10 minutes. Guys, let's check it out. All right, looking good. See, just how I want it. So guys, let me give it a taste for you guys. Yummy. Guys, this rice is so delicious and flavorful. You don't even need meat. You could eat it just the way it is. Okay? So I will put everything in the description box for you. And if you try it, please let me know. Okay? Until next time, I thank you guys for watching. Be kind to others. One love.